Oh, Grandma, alright, tell me who you think is gonna win, Libro or Pegasus? He is the best of the best, Ultimate Pegasus. But we're gonna launch Libro first, see how he do. Alright? I'm gonna need somebody to hold the phone. Alright, y'all ready for this? Get ready for this. Okay, so that was a bad launch. I'm gonna have to relaunch it again. See how it do. Alright, I'm gonna have to put the phone down for a second, so don't mind it. So, hit the like and subscribe button, and I hope you and all your friends out there enjoy this video. I have to put the phone down again because, well, it's hard for me to hold the phone and launch the Blade. See? So I'm gonna have to put it down for a minute. So that was a very good launch. Alright, one more time. There we go. They're battling each other. So Libra gonna go. Comment down below, who do you think is gonna win?
Mysterious Christmas figure. The Grinch.
You really should be bringing up the Grinch.
Oh yeah, I also want to show you this really cool Beyblade that my friend had made. It was really cool. Yeah, I had him over yesterday and the day before yesterday, and he had spent over, and we had found some of these leftover Blade parts and some Blades, and we switched like parts around and stuff. We had all that cool stuff. That's my launcher. I kind of like that launcher, but it's kind of cool. But I really like this Blade. Not too much stamina though, but it has really good attack. But like when it attacks though, it loses stamina. So like when it hits, it's gonna go around the Bay Stadium, and it's gonna like just drop and you lose. Oh yeah, and I also want to show y'all one more thing. This. So yesterday when me and my friend was playing it, he had spun it when he has got it on a ripper, and he has spun it. He had boom. It had boom, and pieces of the shards got everywhere. You can see right there where it had broke. Yeah. So and you see, this is not a real Bay Stadium. Well, Beyblade Stadium. I'm bad at saying anything. But, see, I recycled this bin from my game room that I have, and I've got it. And me and my friend, we used it for a Beyblade Stadium. And then that over there is my Christmas tree. My grandma and my mom. And me. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Bye.